very good morning, everyone. This is Shubhankar Yadwad this side. Now I'm all ready to leave for a ride to Akkalkot. As last time I couldn't get the darshan, so there is my bike. It is fully ready now. So now, without wasting much time, let us go. So finally now I have left from my home. It is 6:20 a.m. now. We'll try to reach by 2 p.m. So then there is more than enough time for darshan and all other things. So now let us ride fast. Now this is the morning scene in Vadala where I live in Mumbai. It's a nice and a cool morning and not many people. So we can ride quickly and get through the city as soon as possible. So now finally I am coming close to the Vashi bridge, and now once I cross the Vashi bridge it would be end of Mumbai and I'll be entering into Navi Mumbai. So here we go. So here we come onto the Vashi bridge now. This is actually the new bridge, the one in the middle. If you see the vehicles going on my left side is the old and original Vashi bridge. So now let's go onto it. So here now we are entering into Navi Mumbai. From now, here this is a non-functioning toll plaza. So here we are entering into Navi Mumbai now. Now here we continue straight. as soon as I entered Navi Mumbai, within less amount of time I reached the Panvel Kalamboli junction, as there was less traffic, but there I found a little traffic, but I got through it with ease, and then I continued my ride. So finally now I'm coming close to the highway. The highway is just ahead. So now here you have to take a left. So now this is the highway now. We take a left turn here. And now we continue straight. We bypass the Panvel town like this. So now let us go continue ahead. So finally now here we come onto the highway. So this is now the highway with which we will continue straight to Pune first, then we'll go towards our destination, that is Akkalkot. So let us go. I'm feeling really fresh, as it was a good night's sleep last night. I slept for good 7 hours, so ride is also, so I'm not feeling tired. I'm able to focus better on the road. And sun hasn't yet fully come up, so it is quite a cool weather still. It is not, the temperature is still not picking up. That is, it's not becoming hot, I mean to say. So now finally Panvel crossed, and now I continue straight. Now here I am near a place called Kond, and here always there is a lot of traffic since the Atal Setu has opened up. So here if you come, you always get a lot of traffic. So finally here now the sun is up. The sunrise has now finally taken place. And now Chowk 0, Khopoli 17. So Khopoli is around 17 kilometers from here. And the road is nice, so let us go to Khopoli now. one speed breaker ahead. Here we go. Thank you for the speed breaker. And road is really nice, and it's a cool morning. And most importantly, my mind is totally fresh, so ride still becomes enjoyable. And this is how is a early morning look and view. So when you ride like this early in the morning, you really feel fresh, and it's a nice experience also, I must really tell you. And ride is also going absolutely great, and I'm feeling very nice, and road is good. Last time otherwise when I was traveling I was too tired, so my mind wasn't working at all. So now we are on the Lonavala Khandala Ghat. It starts from Khopoli, and now we are climbing it up. There are a lot of trucks. We have to go through this road as bikes are not allowed on the Mumbai-Pune Express Highway. So this is the state now. We are almost reaching Lonavala. And I think this is Ekvira Mata Palki or something. Here is a Palki of I don't know what. I don't know today. Here there is quite a lot of traffic on the ghats between Lonavala and Khopoli, but somehow now we have to ride fast so that we reach on time, because this time I don't want to miss the darshan at Akkalkot. So here is one Shingrova temple. This one on my right side. What a steep and sharp turn this is, my god. Riding on this in the rainy season would be really a task, I must say. But road is really good. So now here we come on to the another ghat section up to Lonavala. So now here we go. It's quite a steep road, I must say. It was written police on that Mercedes. I don't know how it is possible, and with an orange lamp on top. And there is a express highway down below. Today also there is quite a lot of traffic. So now I am here in Lonavala. This is the Lonavala city. It's again early so again there's no traffic, fortunately. Can cross smoothly without any trouble. And now there's no need to stop also, as I'm not feeling hungry, so let us go. So now finally I've crossed Lonavala. Now we are continuing straight, and it's a nice and a beautiful morning, as you're able to see here. Here's another Raja Datta Vada Pav, another famous place here. So after crossing Lonavala, the road was smooth and it was a nice road. It was a 4-lane road like this only, as you are able to see. So now we are almost reaching Dehu Road. It is 10 kilometers now. We have to continue further straight for Dehu Road, so let's go. Here there's a little bit of a traffic as Pune city is coming close, but we will just try to go as fast as possible. So now finally I've reached the Pune city. This is Pimpri Chinchwad currently. Now we'll be continuing straight, and then I have to go on the Solapur highway. So let us go. Traffic is not much, fortunately, here in Pimpri Chinchwad. Even though today is a Monday, the traffic is not much. I'm still able to manage. So now let us go straight and continue straight And here in Pune also now is a metro. So now finally I'm out from the Pune city. Now I'm on the highway. Now I have to just straight continue until Solapur. So let us go. And here it is a little bit of a 6-lane road, three lanes on this side, 3 lanes on that side. So here we go. So everyone, now I have stopped here just on few kilometers after Pune for having this subway sandwich I have carried from home. So now let us have, and then let's meet on the road. So road is very good and it's a straight smooth road, and the road is quite okay. Some places it was bad, but it's a nice road. So reaching Akkalkot is not an issue at all. So let us go. So now it is 12:30 p.m. and now I'm thinking to stop here for lunch here in this hotel, Swami Raj Executive. So let us go and check it out. Here you it. So now let us go and have our lunch. So everyone, now I have sat here for lunch. I have ordered. I just show you what I ordered. See, I have ordered mixed veg sabji and chapati, and here is my lassi, sweet lassi, what I'm going to have now. So let us begin the lunch. So finally now I'm done with my lunch, and now I'm heading ahead towards Akkalkot. And here is now again I'm back on the road. Now I'm full of energy. Now I can ride fast and reach as soon as possible. Because earlier I would reach, it would be better. I'd get more time to spend. So without wasting time, let us go. So now I am 30 kilometers before Solapur, and road is very good. I haven't stopped at all. I've been riding continuously and I'm not feeling tired also. And road has been really good, I must say. And I don't want to stop also, then I can reach quickly. So here we go. Finally now we have reached Solapur. Now Akkalkot is just around 41 kilometers from here, and we will reach soon. now we continue our journey straight towards Akkalkot. So here comes that right turn towards Akkalkot, and here ahead you see the Solapur APMC. So here if you take a left you go to Hyderabad, and now here if you are taking a right which goes to Akkalkot, as you have to now go to Akkalkot. Here is a red signal, and we are still left with around 36 kilometers. So now after crossing Solapur, I'm on the Akkalkot road. It's a nice 4-lane road, and some places it is cement, some places it is normal asphalt. The ride is going very good, and it's a smooth road, I must say. I must say, after having lunch, I didn't feel hungry at all. The ride is going very smooth, and I'm not feeling so tired also. So everything is fine, I must say. So here finally I reach I'm just reaching Akkalkot. It is just right left, sorry. So here we now come to Akkalkot. Now while we just entering the Akkalkot city. So now here we take a left turn, no sorry, right turn. I'm really sorry, sometimes I make mistakes in telling the turn. So here we take a right turn. And there is my hotel, Hotel Punekar Bhavan, where I had stayed last time. So now also I'm staying there only. So let us go and stay there and check in there. So here I come to the hotel. If you're able to see in the camera, Punekar Bhavan Yatri Niwas. Now I'll be staying here. So now I'll see you after I check in. So let us go and check in now. Yeah, so after coming to the room, I took a little rest for around 1 hour. So now it's time to head for the darshan at the Vatavruksha Swami Samartha temple as well as the Samadhi Mandir. And this is my room. Here the things are like in a little bit of a mess. So please ignore that for the time being. So without wasting any time, let us go. So now here I leave towards the main Swami Samartha temple for darshan. So here we go. Nice and a peaceful evening here. So finally now I'm almost reaching there. To the Vatavruksha Swami Samartha temple. We are just reaching the temple. Temple is just few meters ahead. So now finally we have reached. Now you have to check up where is the entrance to the temple. So let us go and see.
महाराज श्री स्वामी समर्थ जय जय स्वामी समर्थ श्री स्वामी समर्थ जय जय स्वामी समर्थ महाराज श्री स्वामी समर्थ जय जय स्वामी समर्थ श्री स्वामी समर्थ जय जय स्वामी समर्थ महाराज श्री स्वामी समर्थ जय जय स्वामी समर्थ श्री स्वामी समर्थ जय जय स्वामी समर्थ महाराज श्री स्वामी समर्थ जय जय स्वामी समर्थ श्री स्वामी समर्थ जय जय.
So now I am done with the Vatavruksha Swami Samartha darshan. Now I am heading to the Samadhi Mandir, or where the Swami Samartha is buried. So let us go. So finally now I am reaching the Samadhi Mandir. It is slightly ahead only. So I will just go now and take darshan there. So here is a Samadhi Mandir. Now just park my bike. So finally now I'm back in my room. It was a very nice darshan and it was a day also very well spent. Now it's time to take rest and also transfer the videos onto the external hard disk so that I can edit them and I can upload. So for more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So it is Shubhankar Yadwat signing off. Goodbye.